Hello, dear friends. Welcome to my channel Mindfulness with Pratibha. Nowadays, we find lot of issues of headaches, and this is very common nowadays. And you will find headaches happening in every family, and this is because of the stress, the emotions, negative thoughts, and there is lot of other things also. Maybe your third eye is blocked, or maybe you are that crown energy is not good enough to support you, and that needs to be healed. But right now we will do Ho'oponopono for clearing all those negativity that is there inside us and that causes headaches in our body with the help of Ho'oponopono. So let's get started. So first of all, relax your energy, take a deep breath and place your hands on your heart and start saying, I take 100% responsibility for all the headache that is there in my body. I'm sorry, dear universe, for all the burden that I'm taking, all the stress that is happening in me and that I'm allowing it into my body. Please forgive me for all the unnecessary negative thoughts, emotions that I'm creating in my body consciously or unconsciously. I'm sorry, dear universe, for not allowing that inner peace in me and taking lot of tensions in my body. I'm sorry, dear universe, for all the negative thoughts that is created in me with lot of negative things that I'm thinking, the negative beliefs that I am having and not allowing myself to heal. Please forgive me for taking all the negative thoughts, beliefs and also creating this unnecessary stress into my body. Please forgive me for not allowing that inner peace to build up, for not taking actions for healing myself and not allowing peace and calmness into my body. Please forgive me for all the stress and anxiety that I'm creating in my body and that causes headaches now and then. Please forgive me for not allowing to be calm and also not listening to my body's needs. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you, my dear body. Even though there is so much of things happening in my thoughts and emotions, you're still with me. My body is there. Thank you, my dear body, for healing, for giving me this guidance. Thank you for all the support you're giving me. Thank you for allowing this peace, calmness in my mind, in my thoughts and in my emotions. Thank you for all the support you are giving me. In spite of all this headaches, I'm able to still be calm and heal myself and ready to release all the negativity in my emotions and from my thoughts. Thank you, dear universe, for all the support that you always give me in my body to heal, to come out of it, and also receive all the blessings to be in a very calmer state in my thoughts and emotions. I love my body. I love the thing that I am doing it for the healing that is needed right now to heal myself in my thoughts and emotions. Thank you for supporting me. I love and I'm ready to clear all the negativity that is there inside me. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love myself the way I am. I love this healing. I love this headache too because I know this is for some time and when it has its purpose done, it will go. So thank you, my dear headache, for showing me the path to heal and also acknowledging you and telling you that thank you, you are there for some time and I'm sure I'm getting healed now. The negativity that and all the suppressed feelings are released and I'm feeling so light and calmer now. Thank you. And I love myself. I love my body. I love my mind, my thoughts, beliefs, actions I am taking towards it. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you, my dear headache. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Take a deep breath and release all the negativity thoughts, those suppressed feelings, the thing that is causing those tensions in your thoughts and emotions, and that creates this headache. And when you do this again and again, and you will see that the pain that is there is just gone when you do it again and again. So hope this was a valuable video, and whenever you have headaches, come to this video, watch this and do it again and again till the time your headache is released. So thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also, if you want more such videos that can help you in your health, relationship, career and money, I'm there to support you by all the daily healing sessions that I'm taking, and some are free, some are paid. So if you are interested to join, heal and transform your life, do click the WhatsApp link that is provided in the bio and the description section, and come be part of my community, and let's heal daily and remove all the negativity and attract lot of abundance in life. So thank you again. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel.